Just pressure wash the short bed. First wash in 8 years. Still got a long way to go, but it's coming.
Oh shit. You look a whole lot better.